been a great benefit for our patient, especially the one that are particularly anxious in the dental chair, as it eliminates a lot of inconveniences that can accompany the conventional procedure. For example, the need to use of a sticky impression material, the need for a temporary crown that often can lose, and finally it eliminates the need for a second visit to receive the final restoration. With single visit dentistry, now we are able to prep the tooth and then use our intraoral 3D scanner to take a quick scan for the tooth and then custom design and mold the crown, and all that is being done under 2 hours, a procedure that traditionally can take multiple visits from start to finish. The great thing about that is that patient can sit, chill, relax, listening to their favorite music or enjoying their favorite TV or Netflix channel while having their crown custom design and mold, which can eliminate a great deal of the anxiety that often accompany the dental visits.